Hello friends. Youngrush welcomes you. In this video, you will get information about your career as a website developer. First of all, do you know what website development is? Web development refers to the building, creating, and maintaining of websites. It includes aspects such as web design, web publishing, web programming, and database management. A web developer's canvas is a user's web browser. Web development can be classified into two ways: front-end development and back-end development. Front-end development is the part of a website that the user interacts directly is termed the front end. It is also referred to as the client side of the application. Back-end development. Back-end is the server side of a website. It is the part of the website that users cannot see and interact with. You can learn website development from several sources. Moreover, some websites provide free coaching as well as tutorials, such as W3 Schools, MDN Web Docs, Code Academy, TechAltum, Edureka, MD Bootstrap, Tutorial Republic, Way2 Tutorial. And to get a job in the government or the private sector, you should have any of the following degrees: bachelor's degree in computer science, bachelor's degree in information technology, bachelor of computer application, master of computer science, master of computer application. Your salary range is based on location and experience. In brief, entry-level web developers can get 2.45 lakh per annum, mid-level 5.75 lakh per annum, expert level 8 lakh per annum. Hope you like this valuable information. Please subscribe to our channel and stay connected for more updates. Thanks for watching.